What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. We are back here with the Road King, man. You guys seen yesterday we took that thing for a spin, got that thing all cleaned up, even added some new parts to it, but you guys knew it couldn't stay navy blue for long. So I think I'm definitely about to freaking take this thing apart, man. So this color scheme is nice. It is a nice color, but like I said, man, it is so 2014. We got mama in the back today. But furthermore, man, we about to get this thing taken apart so we can get these parts down to the city and get them to Antonio, man. But in the meantime, if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2021 Road Glide Special, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, cop you a red, blue, and white Everything's Regular cap, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. We are also giving away this Road King in the same go, man. So purchasing that hat, you can win either one, purchase two, and you can win both of them if you're that lucky, man. So head over there right now and go get your entry. Meanwhile, let's get this bike taken apart though, dog. Alrighty, guys, now that we got that rear fender off, got the rear end back tidied up, we can move up to the gas tank, and we're gonna take the gas tank off, take the trimming off, and then we're gonna get up here and take this nozzle off because we're gonna be painting that, as well as our cups. We're gonna take those off because we're gonna be painting those. So I actually think I have some more cups, but we'll see how it turns out here. Alrighty, guys, so we got everything off the bike. Now the cups, I believe I have another set already, so I don't think I'm taking them off right now. The forks, I have the chrome lures for those, so I'll probably take that and stuff up to Harley another day when I get back, because that's literally only a couple hours. But all the other stuff that's getting painted is pretty much off from the back to the front. Can't wait. This thing's gonna look sick, man. Gotta get the trimming off the gas tank, no big deal there. And then gotta break the bags down and the rear fender. But all in all, pretty simple for the most part. Set here, gas tank, bags, rear fender side covers, nozzle, bag trimming. Gotta get these freaking covers off, man. That's the only thing. So we gotta pump this thing up and then snatch the legs off, and we can put them back on in the meantime. But that's literally the last of the last. Alrighty, guys, man, that was a freaking session for you, dog. Literally everything that we need to paint is off the Road King. The Road King is stripped. Here's our chrome lures right here. They are still packaged up, but we will be getting those swapped out sooner, well, closer to when the paint is getting done. So no big deal. Yeah, man, everything is right here ready to go to Antonio, so I can't wait. We about to get this stuff cleaned up and regroup for a sec, man. Alrighty, guys, next morning here, we got all our pieces. Just trying to make sure we got everything. We got our nozzle, we got side covers, rear fender, bags, gas tank, cups, saddlebag latches, wrap around. We should be all right, man. Yeah, we about to slide to Antonio's, drop that off, and see what we can get done, man. Alrighty, guys, man, we finally made it to the city. Oh my god. Oh my god, y'all see what's going on. Y'all know what bike these is going on, dog. I cannot wait, man. These things is gonna look so sick. So freaking sick. Look at the breast with the blue on it. Yes, sir. Oh my god, look at the blue buttons. Yeah, I can't wait, man. We did that with this one. I'm liking it, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. We done already dropped our freaking paint set off to Antonio. So that Road King is coming together, man. I can't wait, dog. Time to load these things up, though. Man, we got our wheels packed up in the car. We got our motorcycle wheels there, and we also got some wheels for our Camaro in the back, man. I'm gonna show you them things when we get them looking a little better, but I'm gonna hold the suspense for you there, man. So when we get home, we're gonna freaking offload these motorcycle wheels and at least try to get that front one on there just to see how that thing is gonna look. I can't wait, man. I've been doing the dash back to the crib and we almost there, man. So let's see what's good. Alrighty, guys, just made it to the crib. We got our bike here, we got our rims there. We're about to put this thing on the freaking jack stand and set it up real quick, man. I can't wait. Alrighty, guys, we only got the front wheel on because that's all we need to see to get that idea. Oh my god. Yeah, I think these wheels look real good on this thing, man. I ain't gonna even hold you. Them blue buttons with that breast looks so good. I'm digging this one. I ain't gonna even hold you. I like it, man. What y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. A few more parts to go, but the wheels is not an issue no more, dog. I'm digging it. Sheesh. Man, got that thing back in the lineup. Got that beautiful like Forgiato rim on that joint, man. The thing is looking good. Can't wait to freaking finish it up, put the back one on. You guys seen we dropped off this paint set today, man. I can't wait to get this thing back, man. So if you guys are interested in winning either one of these things, man, these bikes are freaking sick. At $100, man, either one can be yours. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, copy a red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. That'll give you a shot at winning either one of these bikes, first place and second place, man. If you buy one, you can win either one. If you buy two, you have the chance to win both of them, man. If you're that lucky, hey, I'm hoping for you, man. So alrighty, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. You guys seen we took the 2014 Road King apart, man. It was a fun first ride, fun sounding bike, good sounding bike, all the above, man. But you guys know we had to throw our taste on it. Now, we didn't have to paint it. However, man, the simple stuff is not always just fun, man. I like simple stuff, but I like what I like, man. I gotta have the style on my bike so that when you guys win it, you guys will really enjoy it that much more. It's not just a regular stock bike, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We also went and picked up the wheels for my 2021 Road Glide special back there. Yes, the blue with the gray fade. That thing is looking so nice. The rims is looking so clean. Can't wait. Who's this bike going to, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway, you guys know what to do. But in the meantime, man, it's time to head to North Carolina. We about to go drop off our CVO, man. So I'll catch you guys in the morning, dog. Peace.